What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on how to dissolve an LLC in Florida. Dissolving a limited liability company in Florida involves several key steps to properly wind up the business and notify relevant parties. From obtaining member approval to filing the necessary paperwork with the state, the dissolution process must be carried out carefully to avoid any legal or financial complications. So, let's start. Obtain approval for dissolution. The first step is to obtain approval from the LLC members to dissolve the company. This is typically done through a vote or written consent as outlined in the LLC's operating agreement. Make sure to follow any specific procedural requirements, such as giving advance notice to all members about the dissolution meeting. Settle all debts and obligations. Before proceeding with dissolution, the LLC must settle all outstanding debts, obligations, and liabilities. This involves notifying creditors, making payments, and resolving any financial matters to ensure a clean slate before dissolution. File articles of dissolution. The next step is to file articles of dissolution with the Florida Department of State Division of Corporations. This official document informs the state that the LLC is in the dissolution process. The form includes key information such as the LLC's name, date of dissolution, and a state confirming the required approval was obtained. The filing fee is $25. Provide notice to creditors. Florida law requires the LLC to publish a notice of intent to dissolve in a newspaper in the county where the LLC's principal office is located. This gives creditors an opportunity to file any claims against the company. Obtain tax clearance. The LLC must obtain a tax clearance from Florida Department of Revenue certifying that the company has fulfilled all its tax obligations to the state. Without this clearance, the dissolution process may be delayed. Cancel business licenses and permits. As part of the dissolution, the LLC must cancel any business licenses and permits it obtained to operate. This helps avoid unnecessary fees and legal complications in the future. File final tax returns. The LLC must file its final federal and state tax returns indicating the date of dissolution. This includes filing Form 966 with the IRS. The LLC's Employer Identification Number or EIN should also be canceled after closing bank accounts. Distribute remaining assets. If there are any remaining assets after settling debts and obligations, the LLC's members must determine how these assets will be distributed in accordance with the operating agreement or state law. Maintain records. Depending on the business type, the LLC may be required to maintain its business records for a specified period, including financial records, meeting minutes, and other essential documentation. By following these steps, you can properly dissolve an LLC in Florida and wind up the company's affairs in compliance with state laws. Consulting a Florida business attorney can also help ensure a smooth dissolution process. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.